Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk you through punch needle frames, punch needle hoops, and I'm also going to show you how you can get a punch needle frame from only £1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head out, I'm going to go to a local charity shop, I'm going to take some pound coins and I'm going to see what I can find and then show you how you can turn that into a punch needle frame ready to go for all your projects. You're going to need to buy a few extra things on top, which is why I said from £1, and you might actually be able to do this with stuff you already have. You might already have some of the things I'm going to show you, so even better. So the day I made that video, I went out to the charity shops and I couldn't actually find any frames that were any use. Been again to the charity shops, some different ones, and I did in fact find a frame. Now the frame was £1.50, and what I like about the frame is not only do I believe I can use it as like a punch needle frame, I've been looking for getting like a box frame to test out mounting my artwork within it to see how it looks. And frames can sometimes be quite expensive, so I'm really glad I found this one. It was literally £1.50. Charity shop, perfect. I'm going to open it. Nice chunky wood, so that's always good for when you're stapling on it a lot. So you will see a bit later in this video how exactly I put the cloth onto my frames. So I won't show you on this one because I've already filmed it, but I will show you what I take out. You have your punch needle frame all ready to be stapled on. Like I say, this video is more showing you how you can get the base frame at a cheaper rate. You will obviously then need to go and invest in a staple gun, some staples, a little staple extractor. You can use scissors, but this is just a lot safer and a lot quicker and a lot easier as well. Obviously these are a bit more expensive and these are the one thing you're going to have to keep buying, but you do get quite a lot and they do last a while. Back to the other part of the video where I show you all my other frames I've got. Okay, so sometimes you might use like an embroidery hoop. You can get these in loads of different sizes, perfect for your scraps of monk's cloth, perfect for small projects, keeping them in the hoop like we've got here, taking them off the hoop, making mug rugs. They're fairly, you know, I think they're a couple £1. You can get packs of them in different sizes. Moving up from that, one thing you can do is you can go out and you can buy 4 pieces of wood and you can just screw and glue them together and you can create yourself a wooden frame. So this is just 4 pieces of wood, stapled, glued, screwed together, really sturdy, really chunky wood as well. And I've used this so many times. You can keep using it, keep using it. And the method that I use for all of my frames is the same. So I'm going to show you the frames and then I'm going to show you how I put the cloth on and take the cloth off. So that's my first one, an old cupboard door. So again, I believe it's 4 pieces of wood that are sort of taped and glued together, but this guy is a big frame, so he's not as sturdy. Like, he does move quite a bit because obviously the wood isn't as chunky as the other one, but it still does the job. And as long as I'm working slow, because obviously it's a bit wobbly, but as long as you work slow it'll be absolutely fine. The last frame I've got has currently got cloth on it, so I can show you how I put the cloth on. And this is just a picture frame, so under the cloth and under the tape you will see that there's the wood here. This one is pretty good, it's pretty sturdy. All it is a picture frame. I've taken off the glass, I've taken off any backing that was in it, and I've literally just got the wood. So it's 4 pieces of wood already put together, ready to be used as a frame. Now the way that I put cloth onto each of these frames is really simple. I just cut the cloth out, fold it over really tight, and just use a staple gun all the way around the edges, pulling it as tight as you can get, stapling it all the way around all 4 sides. When I'm ready to take off the cloth, I just get a staple extractor and take out the staples, and then I'm ready to go again. I've stapled these frames so many times and they're still absolutely fine. So obviously, like I said, buying the staple gun and the staples is an extra cost, but the base frame you can get really cheap. Like I said, you might even have an old picture frame at home or something at home that you can already use. I also put a layer of masking tape on. As I've said before, masking tape just stops it fraying everywhere. And yeah, that is how I work with my frames. So that's how you can make your own punch needle frame from only £1. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.